video about making airplane, and this Hans, the example of the airplane, the fastest.
Wait lang.
Okay.
The emergency.
He said,
This one is
wait.
my legendary.
Okay, so do it. Oh, that's...
This one is my
That's the
secondary.
part... Yes.
This one is my secondary.
Secondary. That is the part it can go, and this is Bernard making a airplane, and I will show you how to do this. Okay. First up, you need to fold this.
Nobody can defeat my secondary.
Hey, don't be noisy because I'm recording. And next, you need to do this. Hans, you can see properly? That. And fold this. And do it again. Next, do this. Yeah. And this airplane just discovered Hans. He invented this airplane. And do this. Next, fold this.
And then test it.
No, it's not finished.
No, it's finished.
No, the other way. And you can scotch tape it or tape it if you want.
To support.
Because mine has tape. And just add this on your airplane. Okay, let's try it.
Come on, let's try it.
Hey, it's gonna be good.
Go. Oh, me.
Okay, because me, I am not so great throwing airplane.
Make sure you remove this. It should be like this. And then slide it away. Bye-bye. Me too. Oh,
LOL. Okay, that is a video for the day. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.